Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix you've reached the limit on Messenger. First of all, wait a few minutes. It's a spam protection feature before using Messenger again. Then restart or force close the Messenger app by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Next, go to your app store, search for Messenger and make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. Safety tip: do not spam messengers or links. Quick fix: try sending from Facebook instead, and that's it. So